This is EXO Ranger X7 Plus drone, and today I'll show how you can change the flight protection preferences on this drone. So if you would like to adjust the value of the maximum altitude and maximum distance that your drone can fly away from you, you will need to launch the Fly Ranger app on your phone. Of course, make sure that the drone and your phone are interconnected, obviously. Mine are currently. Once you launch the Fly Ranger app, go into settings. Well, you have two settings here actually. The gear icon and the settings here. So tap at this gear icon, and now you can change the max distance that your drone can fly away from you. Something happened with my connection with the drone, so yeah, I will just switch it off as for now. So here you can adjust the maximum distance that you allow your drone to fly away from you. Well, you can select the value anywhere between 98 and 6,500 feet. And you can also change the maximum allowed altitude and set it within the range of 33 to 400 feet. Then do not forget to save the results, and well, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.